everyone, my name is Kyungmi Kim and today I will be presenting on researching storytelling and upscaling as a part of my diploma of UX design assessment. This presentation will be cover the importance of UX research, different methodologies, and valid and reliable data source, and the role of culture sensibility in design. The importance of UX research. UX research is essential in product design because it builds a bridge between user needs and business goals. Without research, design decisions often rely on assumption, which can lead to products that fail in the market. The research will ensure that designs are not only visually appealing but also functional, usable, and aligned with real user expectations. What is UX research? UX research is the process of collecting data about users, interpreting it, and transforming it into insights. The goal is to understand how users think, feel, and behave when interacting with a product. For example, methods such as interview, usability testing, and field studies help capture authentic user experience, while survey and analysis provide measure patterns. In the end, UX research guides design decisions so that products become both useful and usable. Quantitative and qualitative methodologies. There are two main approaches to UX research: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative research is about numbers, surveys, analytics, and A/B testing that provides measured data. Qualitative research focuses on meaning, though interviews, usability testing, or observation will learn about user motivations and feelings. For example, click-driven data tell us what users do, while interviews explain why they do it. Both approaches are complementary and together provide a complete picture of the user experience. Valid source of data. When we talk about valid sources of data, we mean information that truly reflects user behavior and attitudes. Valid sources include direct user research such as interview, usability tests, or surveys. Behavior analytics like heat maps, task completion rates, and clickstream data. Authentication feedback such as net promoter score or satisfaction surveys. These sources ensure that the data reflects authentic user action and perceptions. Reliable source of data. Reliable mean that findings are consistent and reflectable. For example, if multiple usability test participants struggle with the same navigation issues, we can confidently say the problem is real. Reliable sources include well-structured survey with unbiased questions, analytics platform that track users' behavior constantly, long-term field study or daily study that reveal real-world patterns. Reliability ensures that insights are dependable or random. Cultural sensibility in UX. Cultural sensibility is about respecting differences in user backgrounds, value, and expectations. A design that feels intuitive in the culture may confuse or offend users in others. For example, color means differ across culture that can symbolize luck in some places but danger in others. Designers should consider language and communication styles, accessibility and inclusivity, local norms and behaviors. Culturally sensitive design creates trust and broadens awareness across global markets. To summarize, UX research is not just a step in design process. It's the foundation. It allows us to collect and deliver data, apply both quantitative and qualitative methods, and design products that respect cultural difference. Ultimately, UX research ensures that products are not only functional but also meaningful and valuable for users and business alike. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to answer any questions.